Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You don't need a controller to start. Power the console off completely, wait 5 seconds, then hold the power button until you hear the second beep. This forces safe mode. Once done, connect a USB cable to your PC so you can transfer files or load firmware images. Make sure to note any on-screen error codes and the device model. This tells you which recovery file to use and why certain safe mode options are required. Next, use a USB keyboard or PC to control the interface. Plug the keyboard into the console and use arrow keys and enter to select options. If the console supports USB mass storage, mount it on your PC to inspect system folders and backup save files. If files are corrupt, replace them from a prepared bootable USB loaded with official firmware. The reason is simple. Without a controller, USB peripherals or a PC provide alternative input and file-level fixes. Finish by choosing Rebuild Database or Restore File System to clear corrupt indexes and let the system restart normally. If those actions fail, reinstall the firmware from your bootable USB. Make sure backups are saved first, because reinstalling can overwrite data. Once the install completes, reboot and confirm normal startup. If you still can't exit safe mode, try a different USB cable or port, verify the keyboard works on another device, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.